This is a quick Titan video on the air-fuel ratio relearn procedure, and there's a couple ways to do this. One would be to use a scan tool and reset it on there if your scan tool has an option for that. The other would be to make sure the vehicle is at operating temperature. About a 10-minute drive is good. The needle should be about in the middle gauge on the coolant temp. And then shut your vehicle off. Unplug your mass airflow sensor. With the mass airflow sensor unplugged, start up the truck. It'll idle a little rough, and the check engine light should pop up like that. And then what you want, then you can turn the truck off, reconnect your mass airflow sensor, and we'll restart the truck. I'm using a blue driver. So we will connect our blue driver, let's read our codes, check engine light, codes found, okay, and we will clear these. Okay, and that procedure is done.